Dumelang, okay. I think I've started a few things and I get shared a little. Remember, I said you know create 40 businesses in 40 days. So the first business is first on the list is a loan or a gardening service. Okay, then we'll want to consider it's already important to consider how to manage this thing, and then follow it and then to meal obviously. Yeah. So let's start the business. Business is a TTZ Lawn and Gardening Service. So TTZ TTZ already. Okay, at home. Objectives of this is to create a service-based company whose primary goal is to exceed in customer expectations. The mission of this business is to provide top quality residential and commercial yard care services. Okay, very important. Please consider this. Startup summary. The things you need to start under this basically to start and running a business. Number one, home equipment, including a computer system, investment system, a CRM system, meaning a database, a schedule and reminder system. Now, for all your long-term goals, you need a buggy and trailers, three trailers to travel around. Your short-term goals, meaning your cutting machine, trimmer, edges cutter, shovels, safety equipment, the gloves, the goggles, tree cutter, and a toolbar for you to fix small things. Now, all this falls under a startup summary. Ne? You need to consider all this as a list of the things you need. Now, the very same startup summary has a startup cost. So you're gonna a column to so the required things also to make us the assets things the assets also to my business. Number one, you're required to register the business and then create legal service. Two, so to create the adverts for business how a brochure, the business card, or set up a home office because we'll be working from home, an accounting system. So you can manage all your finances household. These are required. The assets for you to start, obviously cash is key, machines are important, your network, very much important. Every time when you start a business, you must know how are you going to link it to your customer base, who are potential customers, and how do you get potential customers? Your network. Very obviously, it's an asset. Well, network. Besides this thing here, you're gonna be in trouble as an asset for you to actually activate your business. So, in total, you must calculate everything that you need to start, total requirement to start, total assets, value of the assets how in order for you to start. Now, business in neither marketing. Now, marketing very much important. Before draft who is your target market? The middle class family, the plots, my target, property owners, people have more than one property agencies are also my target market. And with all this, obviously you must be available for your online presence. Number one, the WhatsApp, website, social media, video profiling. Because of currently now, a marketing has changed into the outdoor billboard, the pamphlet, but video much more important. You must have an introduction of your video. You must have a service for your video. Introduction introduces your business, and then the service, it demonstrates that the services, the before and after, in a 30 seconds form. Now, obviously, what to me, like unique selling proposition, your USP. Your USP is one thing that makes you different from your clients. Number one, your landscape course as an idea, it's very much important. Time responses, very much important. Your partnership, who are you partnered with? Very much important. If you consider all this, becomes a difference from everything because you will be having a very powerful skills, landscape. All right, a sales strategy number one, you need to do your plan to make sure credit sales a door to door. You need to go and lock all the doors. Yellow book, and cold calling and the SMS that you need to start. Start up display. Go to the malls and display your truck and your information here. Go to the malls. Also, get used to a busy corner and start displaying your things. One of malls are and also, as a part of your sales strategy, consider a call center. Go and partner a call center makes you different as a unique selling proposition. Now, sales focus, meaning what are you considering the future and how you're going to sell? Now, sales here, we're into this. Your targets, a week, how many clients do you need to survive? A week, in a month, in a year. Meaning if from Monday to Friday you need 5 clients, every day you need to make sure you get 5 clients in a week. Next week, get another clients. Meaning if only 5 this week, next week you will be having 10, and the other week you'll be having 50, the other week you'll be having 20. So in a month you'll be having 20, 20 by 52, you'll be having all these clients. And then your business, that's how your business grows. Then also, your sales targets as focus is going to be equal to the money you make per week, per month, per year. So a sales focus is a sales prediction that you need to keep up your business. That's a prediction. You need to keep up little predictions in for you business that you can survive. Ne? Now you know what you need to do. How are you going to sell? Number 1, under your sales, you must start to fix your sales pitch, sales script, your pitch application, approach your open questionnaire. Questions before people bow with us on a random question, general question, main questions. You must answer them before they ask you. And then your service guarantee. People must know the guarantee of your service. All right. Now that you get all this, pitch script, pitch approach, open questions, service guarantee, much more important. Now your entry point, how you're going to enter the market. This is how you're going to enter the market as a gardening service. You're going to say, as a sales pitch here, I offer 1 week of free gardening service if you sign up for a 3-month garden subscription. That's how you get. This is your entry point. Now, but about a 1 week free. That's what they're looking for. But already they will be committing to a 3-month contract. So if a month, get 500. Now, for 1 week or for the first month, or for 1 week, for the next coming 3 months, they will be paying 500 each, which is 1,005 for you for the next coming 3 months. This is your entry point. So for you to start a gardening service, TTZ, obviously, you know, your Tata Zone gardening service. These are the things you need to consider. And then once you consider them, follow them, make sure you repeat the process over and over. All right, I hope to see somebody else out there in order to figure out business. Go.